Alright guys, I know y'all are probably sick of the Subarus, especially the Outbacks, but Chattanooga is kind of the capital of Subaru Outbacks. It's a tree-hugging community. But the reason I'm interested in this one is because of that right there. It's a 07 with only 97,000 miles, and it is a 5-speed. And we got to at least check this out. Alright, fires right up. Got a check engine light. These flat fours are just the weirdest sounding motors, man. But this is really low miles. Our 2000 that had low miles, it has a check engine light, but we got it fixed and it was just no 2 sensor. That was no big deal. No big deal. So that's probably the same thing on this one because it runs really well. Yeah, this thing's nice. Real nice. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Oh man, what a joy. Oh, this thing's great. What a neat rig. Really is good driving. Cruise control doesn't seem like it wants to work. It's acting up a little bit, but the air's cold. It's halfway clean. Needs a little extra clean. It's got heated seats. It's kind of a weird trim. It doesn't have a sunroof or leather, but it's got power seats, heated seats. Got some alloy wheels on it. Got a squeal under the hood. What the hell? These frameless doors, man, just trip me out every time. Oh, we do have nice new Goodyear Assurance tires all the way around. All the way around. Got a little squeeby. Not sure what that is. Probably a little tensioner or something like that. But everything else is pretty freaking quiet under here. Not bad, really. See the alloys? It's kind of a gold color. Needs a little paint correcting along through here. We do have some, but she's clean. Just a few little superficial stains. Nothing bad. Yeah, I got some paint issues back here, degrading paint. But what a cool wagon. Just 5-speed wagons, period, man. So cool. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.